Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Honor Magic 5 Pro in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Smartphones from the Chinese company Honor are gaining more and more popularity due to their great features. The Honor Magic 5 Pro is an outstanding member of the Honor line that is ready to surprise buyers with its photographic abilities. The design of the Honor Magic 5 Pro is certainly a success. The stylish camera unit, beautiful color variations of the glass backs and the thinnest bezels of the screen create a very elegant image. The 6.81-inch AMOLED panel outperforms the best in terms of brightness, over 1800 nits, and color realism. The under-screen fingerprint sensor has a large area and recognizes even wet fingers. Phablet performance is the highest for Android devices. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 General 2 CPU with 8, 12 or 16 GB of RAM scores record highs in Antutu and Geekbench benchmarks, easily handles resource-intensive games at maximum graphics presets and amazing frame rates. At the same time, the load on the processor is far from 100%. Another advantage of the updated chipset is relatively low power consumption. The energy efficiency of the applied components provides 9 to 10 hours of active screen time. The 5100 mAh battery supports 66-watt wired charging. As an alternative to wired charging, Honor Magic 5 Pro also supports 50-watt wireless charging. This allows you to quickly charge your phone without the need to connect a cable. The internal memory of the phone is available in 256 GB and 512 GB, which provides enough space to store photos, videos and other files. However, the main feature of the Honor Magic 5 Pro is its camera. It consists of 3 modules. The main sensor Sony IMX878 with a resolution of 50 megapixels, a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens with a 3.5x zoom. Additionally, the camera uses a TOF sensor, which helps improve the quality of portrait shots. The camera handles challenging shooting conditions with ease, delivering excellent photo quality. Even though Honor is not as popular as it was a few years ago, the Honor Magic 5 Pro offers some impressive specs and can compete with other top models. It has an excellent design, high-quality screen, high performance and outstanding photographic ability. If you are looking for a smartphone with a great camera, Honor Magic 5 Pro is a great choice. This concludes the review. Bye-bye.